to see private or hidden following list on TikTok. You cannot see someone's private following list, and this is because TikTok allows users to hide their following list via privacy settings. If an account is private or has hidden followers or following, there is no legal or safe way to view them. Any app, website, or trick claiming to show private following is a scam and may steal your account or personal data. But there are safe alternatives from which you can know their following. First one is to see your mutual followers. If the user is not private, you may see people you both follow. You can also check their likes or comments. Sometimes the user interacts with friends or other accounts publicly. Try following the account yourself, and if they accept, you can see some of their content depending on their privacy settings. Some things that you should not try are using third-party apps or websites claiming to show hidden followings. You should completely avoid hacks, scripts, or password requests. That's all for today. Thank you.